Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable formula suggestions on your Google Docs spreadsheets. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is select the Tools tab, select Suggestion Controls, and then where it says Enable Formula Suggestions, make sure that is checkmarked in there. So just go ahead and click inside of it if it isn't. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.